Well, in this example, we are using combination rule to solve this probability problem. The probability problem is box A contains 4 white and 5 black balls, and box B contains 3 white and 6 black balls. 2 balls are shifted from box A to B, and then 1 ball is taken from the latter. What is the probability that it was a white ball? So clearly we can summarize this data as. So this is the initial information. Box A contains 4 white and 5 black balls. So total balls in box A is 9. And box B contains 3 white and 6 black balls. So total number of balls in box B is also 9. Now we are shifting 2 balls from A to B. So the total number of balls in A will be 7 and in B it will be 11. So 2 balls are shifted from A to B. Now it is not clear that which colored of balls are transferred from A to B, whether they were white or they were black, or one of them was white and the other was black. So there are 3 possibilities while shifting 2 balls from A to B. That is, the first possibility is either 2 white balls are transferred from A to B. The second possibility is 2 black balls are transferred from A to B, and the third possibility is 1 black and 1 white ball is transferred from A to B. So let W be the event which represents white ball. So we need the probability of white ball, and let the 3 possibilities can be presented in the form of 3 events: A1, A2 and A3. Let A1 represents the event that 2 white balls are transferred from A to B. This is possibility 1. Let A2 represents the event that 1 white and 1 black ball is transferred from A to B. This is possibility 2. And let A3 represents the event that the 2 balls shifted to box B are black. So we need the probability of white ball. So it can be reported as. So the probability of white ball is presented by P of W, and it is equal to probability that the first possibility and the ball drawn is white, or we put plus. The second possibility exists, which is A2, where 1 white and 1 black ball is shifted from A to B, and for N we put intersection and the ball drawn is white, or for R we put plus. The third possibility exists and the ball drawn is white. So these are the 3 possibilities, and it can be further extended as. Before further discussion, you guys are requested to like this video, subscribe to Shah Academy and press the bell icon to get regular updates of this channel. So it can further be extended as probability of A1 and probability of white ball given A1. Given A1 mean it is important because in A1 possibility 2 white balls have been shifted, or probability of A2 into probability of white ball given A2. Given A2 is important because in A2 you know that 1 white and 1 black ball has been shifted, and probability of A3 into probability of white ball given A3. Given A3 is again a condition, and it is important to mention because in possibility A3 2 black balls have been shifted from A to B. Now we need to calculate the probability of A1, A2 and A3 and the conditional probabilities. Now we have to compute these probabilities. So what will the probability of A1 will be? The probability of A1 is, since we know that A1 represents 2 white balls are shifted from A to B. So total number of white balls is 4. So 4 choose 2 and divide by total number of ball is 9, divide by 9 choose 2. This is the probability of A1, and which means that 2 white balls are shifted from A to B, multiplied by probability of white given A1. White given A1 means that when you are shifting 2 white balls from A to B, the number of white balls becomes 5. So it will be 5 choose 1 and divide by 11 choose 1. Why? Because when you are shifting 2 white ball from box A to box B, the number of white balls becomes 5, and then one ball is taken from the latter, then one ball is taken from this. So the number of white ball is 5, so 5 choose 1 divided by total number of balls is now 11, not 9. So that's why this is 11 choose 1. The second possibility is when you are transferring one white and one black ball, then the number of white ball becomes 4 and the number of black balls becomes 7. Alright, so the probability of A2 is when you are transferring one white, so white ball will be selected from white ball and black ball will be selected from black balls. So 4 choose 1, this is white ball, and for and we put multiplication. The second ball is black, so 5 choose 1 because total number of balls is equal to black ball is equal to 5. And since 2 balls are being chosen, so this is 9 choose 2. Alright. Now you can see that the number of white ball has now become 4 and that of black balls has become 7 now. Now when we want the probability of white ball, we have to make selection from 4 white ball because the number of white balls is now 4, and divide by 11 choose 1 because the total number of white ball has been increased by 2. The third possibility is A3. A3 means 2 black balls have been shifted, so the number of white balls remains constant. When you are shifting 2 black balls from A to B, then the probability, this is situation A3. The probability of situation A3 is you have to choose both ball from 5 because the total number of black balls is 5. Divide by 9 choose 2, and the number of white ball in B is as it is. This is equal to 3 choose 1 divide by 11 choose 1 because the number of total ball has been increased in box B. If we further simplify this, we get, so this is the ultimate answer.